So this is a quick demo of what we're expecting to do in this whole project. It's going to be a slot machine simulator. So as you can see here, you see the Apple Watch, and it basically shows different slots. Right now, we have some kind of like a gladiator slash Roman type of slot game. And it's as easy as clicking on the spin button. So once the user will touch the spin button, then this will spin. And if you get a row of 3 or 2 to 3 similar items, then you would win. Okay. So let me just give you a little demo. I'm just going to click on spin and show you what's going to happen. All right. Click on spin. It says good luck. It took 1 credit out. Now it's spinning and rotating. And let's see if we can make a line. Now, obviously, this is a demo, so I made it in a way that we always win for now, okay? But in real life, you would not always win. So there you go, we won, and we won 2 points, okay? And you can keep spinning and playing like that. All right, so pretty simple game, and it's pretty fun to play on the simulator. It's probably going to be fun to play on a real watch as well. It's very easy. There's only 1 button to touch. So I expect the watch to start like this. Like most apps would be very simple at first, and then it would get more complex over time. All right, so now let's get started and get to actually create this slot machine. See you guys in the next lecture.